project is putting this bait board on our boat.
Today we're on our way up to Noosa to pick up a bait board that we found on Marketplace. Thought while I'm in Noosa I might have a look at the boat ramp, see some of these boats, let's check them out. This is the Noosa River. Can get pretty busy, this is on a weekday. They do have a dry dock here to pull your boat out and work on the bottom. Beautiful spot. Always got to support the local businesses while you're in town. Obviously, mango. How cool is this dude? Right, we're back home now. Let's get into this install. Clearly it's been sitting for a while, so we'll give this a clean. Can't start without a bit of caffeine. Righto. Let's hold everything in position where we want it to go. Measure it out. Measure it. Measure it. And then measure it again. Get the kids involved. These are the things they'll remember.
All is good.
Right, these are the tools you'll need. Use a masking tape to mark it out. Pre-drill. Use a drill bit slightly smaller than the screws you're using. Use a countersink bit to stop spider cracking with the top coat of the paint. Now this is fiberglass dust, so it's best to wear protection. We use a vacuum. You'll see it shortly. Put your screws in. Straighten everything up. Mark the other holes. Drill them out, countersink them. See here to use the vacuum. Put your screws in. Then we repeat the process on the other side. Remove your masking tape. Get the kids involved again. Adjust the legs.
Perfect fit.
Like a glove.
It's around the wrong way.
What I'm doing here is marking the ideal position we want it for when the outboard is trimmed up. That way, when we're out and the motor is trimmed down, we can level the board out. Then we can just line it back up with these marks to trim the motor back up again. There you go. I hope this video was helpful. If you guys want any more hints or any more questions, just put it in the chat and I'll answer them.